Crest Ridge today. The dumpster's gone. It's all demoed. Let's go see what it looks like. Definitely looks different. Looking good. That wall's down.
Pardon?
That wall's done. It definitely was not a load-bearing wall.
No.
As we talked about.
No, it was not.
Nope. Good. All those burned kitchens are down. Good. This is going to be a nice master bedroom. We'll get a game plan on what we're going to do.
Yeah.
Well, that's perfect. That's perfect.
With it all reconfigured,
Yeah.
it's gonna be great.
Yep. Cool. So after demo, it's time to lay out the kitchen and the bathrooms. This is a fun and challenging thing to do. So this is Richard. He's been with us for about 10 years and a very integral part of our team.
Refrigerator, so sink base.
Yeah, sink base.
Won't be no cabinet there, sink base there. So, sink base is 36, that's your sink. 24, dishwasher. And then you just fill in.
So cabinet down to the end, and then we want to do cabinet, and then the so we can move that door,
Right.
and then put
So
a
it's
store.
how far you want to.
So we said, how do we do it the other day? It was 24 inches.
We were
Well,
gonna,
you go.
we're gonna move the door to here, Richard.
So if you do the door, well, 24 is going to be your blank coming in.
Yeah.
So what we took is 24 and say like a 16.
And then 30, right, for the.
Yeah. 30 here. So you know that'll give you 1, 2, like three drawers here. But somewhere, even if it's on the island, do a drawer bank so you have.
Yeah, but on our island, remember the one at Clark, how we have the utensil drawers there?
The ones that-
underneath.
yeah, the
we
ones
do
that-
that with an island.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So I'm not really worried about cabinets. Plus, you've got that big pantry
Right.
right there. So I'm not. It's
Yeah.
more the placement of the appliances.
Right. So I mean that's why you know.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah, so you got refrigerator that gives you room for the sink base here. Your dishwasher, then have Mike just fill in from there.
Yeah. And granite from there to
Range.
there, and then granite over there, and then granite on top.
Then range over here, so then you need to bring, you know, gas line.
Which is right up on top. Yeah.
Over, and just down about 6 inches. You want a minimum 25 inches in there when you frame, because you want to be able to do your
Yeah, after sheetrock, you're
sheetrock, you
24,
want
yeah.
24 for your, so that would be your closet there. And then,
So did Paul tell you those scoop on this? So there's sliding glass doors that when you walk in the hallway this way, there's sliding glass doors for the closets right here. That way it doesn't take any more room out of the,
Yes, I like that.
Out of the
I like
These
that.
are, these are just like it was pretty
that
much.
was Richard's idea.
That's a great idea.
Well, and my idea was,
Yeah, we know your idea.
We're not even gonna get to hear it.
help me out here, man.
I told Steffi his ideal.
And she liked it, huh? Did she? She loved it, didn't she? These guys have no idea what good quality ideas are.
It's worth the camera.
Yeah.
But what if we swapped and went toilet, shower? Could we get a little more vanity, or probably not?
Probably not.
Okay.
Because you gotta have at least, you know, you gotta have at least almost this much room out here.
No, you're right.
For the toilet, because your toilet's gonna be, you know, you'd have to move this plumbing here, which, you know, the center of your drain would be back here, but your toilet
Okay.
is still gonna be, you know, out here. But now it might leave you a little bit more room if you had the shower down there and the toilet over here, just because here you're gonna have a shower wall or
Okay.
something there. So if you had the toilet here, but you know, if your vanity's coming way over here,
Yeah.
I mean, your knees gonna almost be touching your.
Yeah.
Here, if you did it
Yeah.
this way, and if you're gonna put, you could rather put like bifold doors here.
Right.
So you can reach here and open it, turn your shower on right here.
Uh-huh.
Or you could even put the shower head at this wall, because you're gonna have another wall here.
Right.
So make this side here where it stays closed, open
Right.
this side,
Yeah.
reach in, turn your shower on.
Okay.
Or like I said,
Yeah.
open this window, turn your
No,
shower on.
I think you're right, Richard.
Then
I think
step
I
in.
think that stinks. So really, then the only thing is maybe the door, huh? So I think, could we change the door?
Yeah, but that's not, that's,
You can do whatever you want.
Yeah,
right?
that's-
Because you're gonna have a wall here, or is it gonna be just glass?
Well, here, that's what you guys gotta make.
It's gonna be a while, because I'm not gonna, you wanna lay in bed, watch somebody use the toilet?
Well, you're not gonna be laying in bed.
No, he's talking about inside here.
No, here.
I knew what he wanted. So here.
There was a minute there when I thought,
I know.
wait a minute.
I like the closet idea. I'm like, really?
That was a good one. No, Richard knows what I'm talking about.
Yeah,
Yes.
so in other words, you build your shower dam here,
Yeah.
which is just 3 2x4 stacked,
Right?
squared off, leave that there, and then when you have Jackson glass come in,
Yeah, I like
put
glass.
put glass here
here.
and glass here. We did that at
Let's do that.
Foothill.
Oh, I love that.
I
I
say
mean, that bathroom was way bigger, but that's how we
I say
done
do
it.
that and have a door opening
Right.
instead of sliders on the
Yeah,
glass.
just have to do that. You do solid glass here, solid glass out to here so far,
Yeah.
with the door opening.
Yeah.
Then your vanity, then you can tuck your vanity a little closer to the cabinet if you want.
Yeah. Okay.
But you get all this stuff laid out first. So you figure you should all do. That's a 6-footer.
Yeah, and then the overhang on one end so you can put some chairs on it and stuff.
6 by 24 inch cabinet, and then do a 36-inch island.
As long as you have good space beside it, so that you're not cramped enough for 2 people.
Hey,
So just in the center of the room, Randy?
she said you don't have a lot of.
And no other can lights, right? Just ceiling
No,
fan.
just ceiling fan. Just ceiling fan with lights. Yeah, that way just one. And can lights in
Can
here,
lights in here.
bathrooms. We have the
No, more like that.
just the
Oh,
we
more
have
like that.
the lights over the mirrors, and then we'll do the. When I was telling you about with the light with the Bluetooth,
Yeah.
we'll get those because those are
So-
really cool.
So, Paul, do you think we're far enough along to put a list together to get it in the
Absolutely.
bedroom?
Bidroom? What the heck is a bidroom? Well, the bidroom is a program that Home Depot has. It's actually kind of like a virtual bidroom. What you do is you go around and get all your merchandise, products, materials, paint, tile, lumber, etc. Get the SKU numbers, take them up to the pro desk, and they'll put you into a virtual bidroom. They'll take the total price and you get a great percentage off. It's definitely worth the time to do. There's also another great perk that you can get. You guys want to know what that is? All right, on the comments down below, just say bidroom, and I'll be more than happy to give you what that perk is.
This year I'm gonna have three pages.
Yeah.
Because I split everything different.
Okay, demo's done. We have the design and planning, first step for the kitchen and bathrooms. Moving on. Now it's time for rough and electrical, rough and plumbing. Got to fix that roof. Getting ready for drywall. Make sure you join us next time. We're looking forward to seeing you.